Imagine a place where the sun-kissed Mediterranean meets snow-capped mountains, where ancient ruins whisper tales of a glorious past. That's Lebanon. Nestled in the heart of the Middle East, this captivating country is home to over 6 million people, each with a story to tell. Here you'll experience a climate as diverse as its landscape, ranging from balmy coastal breezes to the crisp mountain air. Arabic, the official language, echoes through the bustling streets of Beirut, the capital city. Lebanon's economy, driven by a combination of banking, tourism, and agriculture, uses the Lebanese pound as its currency. It's a place where age-old traditions are celebrated with fervor, where vibrant festivals bring the streets to life. And let's not forget the cuisine, a unique blend of Mediterranean flavors that will delight your taste buds. In this video, we journey through the top 10 must-see destinations in this mesmerizing land. Starting our countdown at number 10, we step into the corridors of time at the National Museum of Beirut. This iconic institution is a testament to Lebanon's rich and diverse history. Every artifact, every exhibit, tells a tale of civilizations that have left their indelible footprints on this land. From the Bronze Age to the Ottoman Empire, the museum's vast collection of over 100,000 artifacts provides a window to the past. The museum is also a beacon of resilience, having survived the trials and tribulations of Lebanon's civil war. But the National Museum of Beirut isn't just a place to house relics. It's a sanctuary where the past meets the present, where history is not just remembered, but reverently preserved. It's an experience that transcends the usual museum visit, transporting you back in time to witness the evolution of a nation. A visit to the National Museum of Beirut is like turning the pages of a living history book. At number 9, we find ourselves amidst the vibrant and colorful streets of Byblos. This ancient port city, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world, is a treasure trove of history and culture. From the Phoenician temples to the Crusader castle, each stone tells a story of civilizations past. But Byblos is not just about the past. The present is just as vibrant, with bustling markets that offer a feast for the senses. The scent of freshly baked Lebanese bread mingles with the aroma of spices and the sweet perfume of local flowers. The sound of vendors calling out their wares, the chatter of shoppers, and the occasional strum of a traditional oud create a symphony of sounds. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply a lover of life's colorful tapestry, Byblos has something for you. Byblos, a city where history and modernity merge in a beautiful dance. Number 8 takes us to the breathtaking heights of the Cedars of God. These ancient trees are not just a sight to behold, they are a symbol of the enduring spirit and resilience of Lebanon. As old as time itself, the Cedars of God have witnessed the ebb and flow of civilizations, standing tall and proud through it all. Their resilience resonates with the Lebanese identity, embodying the strength and endurance of the people. But the Cedars are not just about history and identity. They offer a spectacle of nature's grandeur, with stunning views that can take your breath away. Imagine standing amidst these towering trees, feeling a sense of awe as you look up at their majestic height, feeling the whispering wind as it dances through the cedar branches. The Cedars of God, where nature and heritage stand tall and proud, a place where you can truly experience the soul of Lebanon. At number 7, we stand in awe of the enigmatic Baalbek Roman ruins. Located in the Bekaa Valley, these well-preserved ruins are a testament to the grandeur of Roman architecture. From the towering pillars of the Temple of Jupiter to the intricately detailed sculptures in the Temple of Bacchus, each structure tells a story of a civilization that thrived here over 2,000 years ago. Yet, the ruins do more than just echo the past. They are a vibrant part of Lebanon's present. Every summer, the ancient stones of Baalbek come alive with the sounds of the Baalbek International Festival. This annual event draws artists and spectators from around the world, uniting them in a celebration of music, dance, and culture. As the sun sets and the ruins are bathed in a golden glow, it's hard not to feel a profound connection to the rich tapestry of human history. Baalbek, a testament to Lebanon's timeless allure. Number 6 is the serene and spiritually uplifting Kadisha Valley. Embracing the heart of northern Lebanon, Kadisha Valley is a testament to the natural beauty of this country. A lush landscape of verdant gardens, rugged cliffs, and winding rivers, the valley is a breathtaking sight that captivates the senses. But there's more than meets the eye in this tranquil haven. Kadisha Valley is also steeped in rich cultural significance. Its name, derived from the Aramaic word for holy, is a nod to its long-standing religious history. For centuries, the valley has been a place of refuge for Christian monastic communities, and it continues to be a spiritual sanctuary to this day. Nestled within the valley's terrain are ancient monasteries, their stone walls bearing the marks of time, standing as silent witnesses to the valley's storied past. These monasteries are a testament to the harmony of nature and spirituality that defines Kadisha Valley, a haven of tranquility and spiritual reflection. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, we stroll along the bustling Cornish in Beirut. This vibrant seaside promenade is more than just a walkway. It's the pulse of the city, an artery of energy that feeds Beirut's lively spirit. Every day the Cornish is a theatre of life, where the city's social fabric unfolds. It's a place where joggers share the path with families, where fishermen cast their lines next to street vendors selling corn on the cob and cotton candy. It's a place where stories are told and shared, where laughter echoes against the backdrop of the Mediterranean Sea. The Corniche offers stunning views too. The blue expanse of the sea on one side, the city's skyline on the other, creating a beautiful contrast that speaks volumes about Beirut's character. This promenade is more than a scenic walkway. It's a living, breathing embodiment of the city's resilience and its zest for life. The Corniche, a snapshot of Beirut's lively spirit. Number 4 on our list is the picturesque and awe-inspiring Grotto. This natural wonder, nestled in the Nahr al-Kalb Valley, boasts a symphony of stalactites and stalagmites that have been sculpted over millions of years. The grotto is divided into 2 levels, the upper galleries and the lower cave, each offering a distinct and breathtaking spectacle. The upper galleries, a labyrinth of chambers and passages, house the world's largest known stalactite, a testament to nature's artistic prowess. Delve deeper, and you'll find the lower cave, accessible only by boat. This silent voyage on an underground river unveils a world of crystal curtains and towering stone pillars, illuminated to highlight their intricate details. The echoing droplets of water against the limestone formations create a serene soundtrack to this unique exploration. Grotto, a subterranean wonderland that captivates and enchants. It's not just a place, but an experience that stays with you, reminding you of the Earth's enduring and awe-inspiring beauty. At number 3, we find ourselves at the historic and enchanting Sidon Sea Castle. A testament to the rich history of Lebanon, this magnificent fortress was built by the Crusaders in the 13th century. Strategically located at the Mediterranean's edge, it served as an important military and trade post throughout the centuries. The Sidon Sea Castle is a testament to the resilience of Lebanon, surviving wars, natural disasters, and the passage of time. Its timeless beauty is a stark contrast to the tranquil sea that surrounds it. The castle's high walls and towers offer panoramic views of the city of Sidon and the boundless Mediterranean Sea. This fortress holds an important place in Lebanon's history, its architectural grandeur reflecting the many civilizations that once graced this land. The castle's intricate design and strategic location are a testament to the ingenuity of the past. Sidon Sea Castle, a symbol of Lebanon's resilient spirit. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have the iconic Pigeon Rocks. A natural wonder, the Pigeon Rocks stand proudly in the heart of the Mediterranean Sea off the coast of Beirut. These towering limestone islands have been sculpted over millions of years by wind and waves, embodying the timeless beauty of nature. But these rocks are more than just a stunning spectacle. They are deeply ingrained in Lebanon's cultural fabric, serving as a symbol of Beirut's resilience and charm. They've been the silent witnesses to the city's history, standing firm against the tides of time, just as Lebanon has. And let's not forget the sunsets. Oh, the sunsets! As the day winds down, the sky around the Pigeon Rocks ignites with colors so vibrant, it's as if the heavens themselves are putting on a show. It's a sight that will leave you spellbound, promising an unforgettable end to your day. Pigeon Rocks, a picture-perfect postcard from Lebanon. And finally, at number 1, we find ourselves in the heart of Lebanon, the dazzling downtown Beirut. An urban playground by day and a vibrant hub of energy by night, downtown Beirut is a captivating blend of old and new, tradition and modernity. Here, century-old buildings stand shoulder to shoulder with modern skyscrapers, whispering tales of a rich past while embracing the promise of a bright future. Downtown Beirut is not just the financial and commercial heart of Lebanon, but it's also a cultural hotspot. It's home to a plethora of art galleries, museums, and theaters that serve as a testament to Lebanon's vibrant art scene. As dusk falls, the area transforms into a lively nightlife district, with its eclectic mix of trendy bars, hip nightclubs, and world-class restaurants that serve delectable Lebanese cuisine. Downtown Beirut, the pulsating heart of Lebanon that never sleeps. It's more than just a place. It's an experience, an emotion, a feeling that stays with you long after you've left. And there you have it, the top 10 must-see places in Lebanon. From the captivating charm of this Mediterranean country to its rich cultural heritage, Lebanon's allure is undeniable. We've journeyed together from the National Museum of Beirut, brimming with antiquities, to the vibrant streets of Byblos, and marveled at the majesty of the Cedars of God. We've stood in awe at the enigmatic Baalbek Roman ruins and found tranquility in the serene Kadisha Valley. We've strolled along the bustling Cornish in Beirut and admired the picturesque Grotto. We've gazed upon the historic Sidon Sea Castle and been captivated by the iconic Pigeon Rocks. And finally, we've reveled in the dazzling lights of downtown Beirut. Each destination a testament to the country's diversity and rich cultural heritage. So pack your bags and set off on your Lebanese adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides. Until next time, safe travels.